There's nothing like roasted bell peppers as antipasto or in a recipe. And to make them on the barbecue is a cinch. The only thing you have to do is to cut them in half, remove the seeds, lightly oil them, and add a pinch of salt if you want. Then place them skin down straight on the grill. Close the top and wait until they're blackened. After about 4 minutes, check on them. Yeah. Almost black enough. When they're black enough, transfer them to an airtight container. Yeah, they're perfect. Now we want to peel the peppers, but we won't do the job. We'll let the steam do it for us. When they are about room temperature, you can peel them. If you just press on the skin, it's very easy to remove. Look at this, it's ready to be eaten.